you think cleaning one shower can be a pain, imagine having to clean dozens of them. That's why facilities with multiple showers opt for a solution that can clean effortlessly without all the elbow grease. Something like Ready Clean No Scrub Shower Cleaner.
It's designed to cling on hard, non-porous surfaces and tackle soap scum, mold, and mildew stains with ease. Simply spray on Ready Clean No Scrub Shower Cleaner to a wet shower surface and let it sit for no more than 24 hours. Next, you can come back and wash the residue away. No mixing, no scrubbing, no worries. It's free of harsh chemicals and leaves behind a pleasant vanilla scent. This solution is perfect for hotels, fire stations, schools, colleges or universities, recreation and fitness centers, and anywhere else with multiple showers. Now that you know how to effortlessly clean multiple showers at your facility, take the next step and visit www.stateindustrial.com to find Ready Clean No Scrub Shower Cleaner, or check out our complete line of cleaning solutions for every part of your facility.